Hello, Academists. Let's model this glider airplane. So I will use some reference images for this, and I'll show you one from the side, and you might take a screenshot of this. One from the top up to this edge, and one from the front. Okay, once you get that, you can open an empty part studio. First, you save those screenshots to your desktop, and then you import them into the part studio. So I will start with one sketch on the right plane with a construction line from the origin, and give that one only dimension, 6910. That is the only dimension we will need for this whole tutorial. Now I will insert that image of that side here. Create a coincident constraint here. Pull it down, and I will add one construction line, one vertical, to make this coincide. All right, like this. With a Shift J, I can fix that line there. And I will draw one more construction line here, and one down here. And this is to find the deepest and most upward point of that fuselage. That'll help me to orient that front sketch. All right, that's it. I will continue with the next sketch on that front plane and place that front image there. So first like this, then again a coincident with the origin, and then I'll have a look at this line and that one, and pull my sketch to that position. Again, Shift J fixes that. And I will start one sketch on the top plane and place that reference image here. Make that coincident. Pull that over here. Fix that for a moment. Pull that till here. Loosen that again. and just a tiny bit here. That's it. So we got the 3 images, reference images, to start our design. I will rename those sketches. That's the side sketch. That's the front sketch, and that is the top sketch. Then I'll place all those to a folder with the name view, V like views. I'll hide for a moment those 2 and start my first sketch on that side. I'll make that really big and start with the spline from that origin up till here. I can fix that point here with Shift J. All right. And now I will apply a vertical constraint to that spline handle. And here. And now place some spline points here, about here. Pull that up. And that one over there. Increase like this. And fix that. Continue with another spline from the bottom profile. Give that a vertical constraint. Insert a spline point here, maybe here. Increase the magnitude on that spline handle. Like this. Like that. All right, take that, fix it, and for that canopy, I will draw these lines over here. Then I included the position of the profile sketches, and we'll capture that with some points here. Then for that vertical fin, I will just place a construction line that will help me to define that plane. And now that root profile of that wing, again, spline here. Fix that. Fix that one. Go here like this. continue with another spline here, from here to there. I did want to make that a vertical constraint. And here just as well, vertical. And I'll leave that one the way it is. Now there's this other, that horizontal elevator. And again, spline. Fix that. Fix that one. Vertical. Okay. Continue. Another spline here. Vertical. Just leave it like that. And that's it for that first sketch. And here we got the views, and I will rename the sketch where I did the work again as side. All right. So now let's make that top sketch visible. Let's hide that side. Now I want to define that profile here, and I'll use a 3D fit spline from here to there. And you might say, well, that's a straight line. I mean, we wanted this to be on this edge. Okay, and we can achieve that with the edit curve command. Take our curve here, go to approximate. See, we got target degree 1, 2, 3. I'll make that 4. And then I'll go to edit control points, and you can indicate on which point you want to work here with that control point index, or you can just pick it in the browser. And sure, you can go on the X axis or the Y one, or you can do both at the same time, which I will do. And I will leave that one here. Pick that one here. Go again someplace here. Check so far. Maybe move that out a little bit. And that's it. All right, so let's have a look. An isometric view. At our first sketch, I'll hide. I'll hide the top reference image for now. So this curve is as a real 3D curve. Now I want to define the profiles. Here, I'll take my plane command with a plane point option. Take that vertex and the front plane. There is all plane. And just do that 2 more times with that one and the front. No. Vertex and not edge, but front plane. There it is. Last time with that one and the front plane. All right, there we got our 3 planes. And I will start a sketch on that first one with a spline. I'll place it first here, somewhere here. Pull out those handles, give them a horizontal constraint here as well. And then I'll go to Shift G, which is the pierce constraint. Pick that one, pick that edge, do that at the bottom. Pick the whole spline curve and that one. And now I will just change the ratio between those 2 handles, pulling that out a bit. And that's what I want. I'll do that 2 more times. Now, plane number 2. Spline. I think I might have caught some constraint here. Yeah. I'll erase, delete that. Horizontal constraint. Horizontal. Hide that. Shift G. Bottom curve. Top curve. Spline and curve. And again, I want to lower the point of gravity, maybe to something like that. Accept that. And one more time on plane number 3. The same method. Bottom one, top one, like this. Yeah. All right, so I'll hide all my planes and I will go into the loft of the fuselage. For this, I pick that vertex here, those 3 profiles, and that vertex over here. I continue with guides, take that one, and that one. All right. Have a look at that surface. That's what I want. I'll continue splitting that face with those sketch lines here for the canopy. And maybe I'll change the appearance for that to white and give it some more transparency. I can hide that sketch and make that top view reference image visible. I will define one plane with a plane point option and the top. And on this plane, I'll start a sketch defining the vertical fin, that first profile. I'll hide my surface, go to normal view, get real close to that, take the spline command, wait a second, that doesn't originate here really. So I will delete that constraint. This will start now here. Okay, we'll fix it. What is that constraint here? Yeah, that's okay. That one, again, that will be a horizontal constraint. Here, increase the value of that. Fix it. Lower that. So, yeah, like this. And I had drawn the line up here for the top profile. I'll go to the plane line angle, take that and that right plane with a 90-degree volume. All right. Hide that plane, hide that sketch. And now I want to look from that, from the top view. But I will sketch on this plane number 5. So I start the sketch command on plane number 5 with the spline about here to here. Horizontal constraint. Fix it. Pull that out a little. Fix that. I thought I had fixed that. Yeah. All right. Hide all planes. So we got this profile, but I don't want to make my loft from that plane. I want to project that curve on our surface. So I'll go to the split face command. This is the face I want to split with that sketch. All right. Now loft from that edge to that one. All right. and we can delete that face and make a Boolean operation between those two. All right, so we get the root profile for both the wing and the horizontal stabilizer, but we need the tip profiles. For that, I will make a quick sketch on the top plane. That'll be just one point here and another one over there. And exit. Go to plane point. Take that and the right plane. One more time. With that one, again, the right plane. All right, so again, for clarity, I will hide the top plane, show the side plane, and hide the surface. And then start a sketch on plane 6. And this will be this profile here. Spline from here to there. Fix it. Fix that. Go up. Vertical constraint. All this here. And the bottom one here. Just like this. All right. And one more sketch on that plane here. Spline. And maybe we didn't sketch that root profile, or I didn't. Okay. Good to know. Fix that. Like this. Like that. Lower the weight of that. Yeah. All right. So, well, I did hide that one sketch. So, yeah, I sketched it. So now one loft here with that profile and that one. Another one from here to there. Oh, man, no. We got to do something about this. There's an interference between this one and that one. So I'll just make a composite curve of those two. And that allows me to pick this as one curve and here. Okay. We can hide all sketches, hide curves, show all surfaces. And while we're here, we can use the fill command. Fill that up here. Oops, no. Here and there. And now we get, we want to trim that wing with the mutual trim. Pick that first surface and the second one, and can decide what I want to keep and what I want to trim. Like this. Great. One more time. Trim that one and that one. So I want to keep that one and that one. What is with this plane? Oh, I picked the wrong command, huh? So delete that. I wanted to fill that edge and that one. Okay, so we get one surface here. That's half our plane, so let's just mirror that, adding to all over our right plane. And then one last fill here at the top. So there is our finished airplane. For the sake of brevity, I have omitted landing gear, movable parts like ailerons on wings, no elevator on the horizontal stabilizer, no rudder on the vertical fin, and I might do so in a future video. I hope you like this, and I see you next time.